Alright, let's make a video showing how I'm retrofitting this old screen porch. Whereas, I don't know why carpenters would do it like this, but they take the screen and they put it over the face here. So somebody had to be on a ladder to do all of this. So, first of all, that's the most difficult way. And then they staple the screen in here with their old-fashioned hand staple gun and put these wood battens over the top. Now, modern way, and it works out good when the battens are done really nice and tight. The modern way is take your knife, cut that off there, cut this off here, delete all of this nonsense, delete all of that nonsense, and you take these pieces of plastic, excuse me, then you take all these pieces of plastic, you put those to cover this, so that covers that, and you picture frame it. Let's see one that's under construction. You picture frame it with this plastic. Start with that. You use stainless steel everything. Shoot that on there. And then you start following up, putting your metal track on it. And using stainless steel screws to screw that. And you have to screw it securely everywhere. Put all of those so it's screwed securely. And here's the metal with the track. There's the metal with the track. Then once you get them all in, here's one that's completed. That's screwed in securely. Lots of fastening points. Stainless steel screws. That one's done. And you follow up with the screen. And your finished product looks nice from the outside like this. And it goes up to the old battens, and it covers where the screen was from before. And this is plastic 1 inch. This is plastic 1 inch by 3/4, and this metal is 3/4, the aluminum, and that's the track for the screen to go into with the spline. So that's how you modernize a screen porch and make it look amazing. Oh, and nothing's going to rot either. I mean, we have wood to start with, but as long as you keep your wood painted, it'll last a long time.